Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials and launching quick diagnostics. First, make sure your device is on the correct network and not in airplane mode, then run a ping to the site or 8 to verify connectivity. Once ping responds, open the browser's developer tools, go to the Network tab, disable cache, and load the page to capture error codes and timing. These immediate checks tell you whether the problem is local, DNS, or server level, so you know the right next action. With initial data in hand, isolate DNS and local blocking issues. Flush your DNS cache using the appropriate command for your OS, then clear the browser cache and retry in an incognito window or alternative browser to rule out extension interference. Next, temporarily disable firewall or antivirus software, or switch networks to a mobile hotspot. This confirms whether a local security rule or ISP DNS is blocking the site. If the site loads now, you can focus on DNS settings or security rules as the root cause. Finish by validating the server and applying corrective actions. Check hosting status pages and error logs for 500s or resource limits, then restart web services, Apache or Nginx, PHP-FPM and the database, or roll back a recent deployment if needed. Once services restart, clear any CDN or cache layers and retest. If the issue persists, run a traceroute, gather logs and network captures, and contact your host or support team with that evidence. This speeds resolution and avoids repeating steps you've already completed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.